Good morning, first graders. Today is September the 18th, 2020. Dear all, it is Friday. You have completed your 5th week of virtual learning. Your teachers are so proud of each of you. Give yourselves a pat on the back. There are many different types of coasts. Each type of coast has unique characteristics. Some coasts have a rocky shore. This type of shore is especially popular with seabirds. They love to build their homes among the rocks. The beaches we usually go to have a sandy shore. You can often see small crabs burrowing in the sand there. Coasts also are described as either being cliffed or flat. A cliffed coast has been created when wind and waves caused huge cliffs above the sea level. A flat coast is when the land gradually descends into the sea. Best wishes, your first grade teachers.